Hi everyone and welcome to CodingZest.com. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. So first of all, open up your browser and search for vscode download. Okay, simply click on the first link, and I will also put this link in the description so you can open it from description below. Click on this, and from here select this Windows. Click on this, so it will start downloading your VS Code setup. I have already downloaded it, so I will just simply cancel it from here. And once the download is complete, so go to your downloads and simply open this Visual Studio Code setup. And let me minimize this, and from here accept the agreement, click on next, create a desktop icon. And if you don't want to create a desktop icon, so you can uncheck this box and click on next, click on install, and now it will install Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. Okay guys, so our VS Code is installed completely and correctly. So now we will click on finish and it will launch the VS Code on our machine. So as you can see here, Visual Studio Code is launched and now you can start coding from here. So that's all for this video guys, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel and the bell notification option is on so you won't miss the upcoming videos.